Pig, Pollack, disgusting, vulgar, greasy. Those kind of words have been on your tongue, and your sister's tongue is too much around here. What do you think you are, a pair of queens?
I thought you were straight.
Straight? What's straight? A line can be straight or a street. The heart of a human being.
Listen, baby, when we first met, you and me, you thought I was common. Well, how right you was. I was common as dirt. You showed me a snapshot of a place with them columns, and I pulled you down off them columns, and you loved it. Grade school or high school.
Come on!
Gracious, what long bar. Have you been listening to me?
I never listen to you when you're being morbid.
How do you do? Please don't get up.
Nobody is getting up here, so don't get worried.
Of course, you don't really mean to be insulting.
No, just realistic.
I don't want realism, I want magic.
Magic.
Yes, magic.
Oh, those cats.
Whoever you are, I've always depended on the kindness of strangers.
Hey, Stella!